Today we're trying the most famous hair mask from social media. The 5-second hair treatment mask that is supposed to make your hair so shiny and so smooth. It only takes 5 seconds. Let's see if that works. And that mask is from Purc Magical Hair Treatment. You're gonna get little sections of hair and just massage for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, listen to this. Treatment only takes 5 seconds, but then it says to massage for 2 to 5 minutes. Hello. Each section of hair needs to be massaged for at least 2 to 5 minutes. But I am going to do it with my flat iron. All you need is to set this flat iron to the lowest temperature. And for some reason the lowest temperature is still a little high. Just put some aluminum foil around. Make sure it's smooth like this. Make sure you cut it. Make sure you cut it exact. Just wrap it around. Wrap it around the flat iron, just like this. Make sure on this section where you're gonna put your hair, it's smooth. You don't want your hair to get stuck. By using this flat iron, hopefully the product is absorbed. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna go wash my hair. But first I want to show you how my hair looks before. You see the end, it's a little damaged. Just want to see how that product works. Let's open this. Oh. Ooh. Looks like you know that coconut oil. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. It's okay. The smell, like the type of deodorant like Old Spice, something like that. It's like a male smell. Not too sticky. Let's do this. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna brush it down. I'm gonna grab a lid. I think this is the perfect amount. Just the tip of your finger, and then massage it on your hands. Massage it on your finger, just like this. And I would just massage it down from here down. The smell is already overpowering. Okay, massage. I'll brush it again with my comb, and then I'm gonna use the flat iron just to tap it, just like this. Okay, then I'm gonna continue with the next one. Okay, brushed. Let me comb it. Okay. the treatment's on, I will go wash my hair. I am going to let it dry naturally because I don't want to use any heat, just to show you guys how it looks after. I just washed the treatment off. Hair is still wet. I don't feel any difference. When it dries, it will be soft. Final results are in. I even put in a hat to reveal what exactly this product does after you use it. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Here you go. Not what I expected. I'm very disappointed. And of course, what can you expect from a product that doesn't name the ingredients? From a product that says magical, miracles, it doesn't do magical. It doesn't do miracles. It's like a conditioner. It will leave your hair soft. Probably gives you a little bit of shine. You guys can tell how it is. Very dry, frizzy. Feels like my hair is like a bird nest or something. Give your money, and that's all I can tell you. But you know, I might be wrong. Maybe I should give it a second try. Maybe my hair type did not like that product. Maybe your hair type will like it and it will be different. One more time. This is how it looks. I feel like, you know how they put up a picture like looking the hair so dry and frizzy and so unhealthy, and then it looks this nice picture to the side? I feel like the opposite. After using that treatment, my hair became unhealthy and dry and frizzy. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to click that subscribe button.